I didn't wake up that day with plans, but life happens and you got to deal with it. And today, something pretty serious needs to be addressed. My barn doors are unsecure. Everything we own is behind these doors. I built these doors with my older brother. They work awesome. They're just not latching properly. This barn's probably got 1 million stories, and it's one of my favorite things in the world.
Temperatures started in the single digits this morning, barely got up to 20 this afternoon. It's in the mid-teens right now in most spots.
And once I was home, I realized my water heater stopped working.
Tonight, we're going to see it increase with the heaviest snowfall.
I'm not saying enough for folks to take this system seriously.
Just another day in the coal mines, I guess. Until next time, this is From Studs to Sanctuary. Follow to see what happens next.